Hi everybody, it's V. Like I said before, this is my new channel. I will be unboxing the products that I'm going to be using to start my channel with. And they're not going to be the most expensive products, but hey, I don't have a lot to start with. So let's bust it open and see what we got here. So what we have is the Dell UltraSharp 24 monitor that I just got. I'm going to be doing a little bit of video editing. I also got a desktop I'm going to be unboxing later on. So I did do a unboxing of my tripod that I'm using, not very expensive again. And I'm using my video that I'm shooting on my Note 8, Samsung Galaxy Note 8 phone. So here we go, let's bust it open. So we have here is the Dell Color Collaboration Factory Report on the color calibration for that. Now, I'm not gonna be real techie about a lot of this stuff. I know a little bit, but not a whole lot. So I'm basically just gonna be unboxing and doing that sort of thing and showing you what I got and providing links down below so you can purchase it also, you know, if you feel that you want to. So we have a like instruction manual here, how to set it up. And what we have here, it's like a stand. And also an arm. You know, I've been telling myself for a long time, you know, hey, let's do a video or some YouTube videos, and I just really have been putting it off. I've been putting it off for about 2 years. I mean, seriously, I procrastinate a lot, and I figured, hey, let's just get to it. Anyway, here's the arm for the, looks like the monitor, similar to my old setup here. What else we got here? Some cables here. It's power cable. It's like a in case you want to hook up another screen to your, or like a laptop to your monitor. We've got that cable here. Again, I'm not real techie on this stuff, so just bear with me. And here's another cable for that very same thing. Looks like they put two of the same ones in here. I can't be right, so I must be wrong. If you know, tell me below. Anyway, let's finish it. This side. And here, safety and regulatory information. And here is the baby. Just the box down here. This is the screen, 1920 by 1080. That off. There. And there we are. Have some USB input, HDMI input, power input, of course, and it's like the buttons are on the bottom for your power button, you know, lighting, and so there you are. That is the Dell 24 UltraSharp monitor. So next I'm going to be unboxing my laptop, I'm going to be unboxing my new desktop, and I'm going to get this all set up, and I'm going to be doing some editing and get all my videos together. So bear with me. I am shooting on the Note 8 until, you know, I can afford better equipment. We're getting some more lighting and stuff as well. So just please bear with me. Give me your comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my videos, please. Thank you. This is V, and I'm out.